It's a beautiful Tuesday, March 7, 2023. On the way kami to Stockton, and then meeting Chuck Gerald with my brother Bong Gatdula, one of the original gospel musician. Way back 1967 ka, nung na-born again si Mother Bong, ano? Nauna siya sa akin ng mga ilang taon, 7. Bagay kasama na ako, 1970 naman ako. And the music that we're playing that time is Maranatha, love song. Mamimit po namin yung pinaka...
Maranatha ng love song, ano?
Yeah, Maranatha siya. Chuck Smith sila nun eh.
Maranatha, ano?
Kaya yung movie nun, love song, ano, Jesus Revolution, Chuck Smith, Calvary Chapel, love song, Maranatha. Tama. So yun po ang mga tinutugtog namin ng araw, Maranatha music. One of the pioneer of gospel music in the world, pero popular yan 70s. So what a joy to be here with my brother Bong.